Embarking on a family-friendly road trip can be a rewarding experience, offering the opportunity to create lasting memories while exploring new destinations together. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey, consider the following comprehensive guide. Plan your route and stops. Map out the journey. Utilize GPS and traditional maps to chart your course, identifying rest areas, scenic spots, and family-friendly attractions along the way. Websites like Google Maps and Road Trippers can help you customize your itinerary. Schedule regular breaks. Plan stops every few hours to allow everyone to stretch, use restrooms, and recharge. This practice helps prevent fatigue and keeps spirits high. Prepare your vehicle. Conduct a maintenance check. Ensure your vehicle is in top condition by checking tire pressure, oil levels, brakes, and other essential systems. A well-maintained car reduces the risk of breakdowns. For a checklist, visit AAA's Maintenance Guide. Install appropriate seating. Verify that all car seats and boosters are correctly installed and suitable for your children's ages and sizes. Safety is paramount on the road. You can find guidelines at NHTSA. Pack thoughtfully. Organize essentials. Keep items like snacks, water, first aid kits, and entertainment within easy reach to minimize disruptions during the drive. Websites that list healthy travel snacks are a great resource for ideas. Prepare for emergencies. Carry a roadside emergency kit, including tools, a flashlight, blankets, and any necessary medications. Being prepared ensures you're ready for unexpected situations. Keep everyone entertained, engage in activities. Bring along books, games, and electronic devices with headphones to keep children occupied. Interactive options like audiobooks or family-friendly road trip link podcasts can also be enjoyable for all. If you're at a loss, just Google Best Road Trip Podcasts for recommendations. Encourage interaction. Classic car games and conversations can make the journey more engaging and foster family bonding. Examples include I Spy or 20 Questions. Maintain flexibility. Allow for spontaneity. Be open to unplanned stops or slight detours to explore interesting sites or accommodate the family's needs. Flexibility can lead to unexpected adventures. Set realistic expectations. Understand that delays may occur and not everything will go as planned. Maintaining a positive attitude helps in navigating unforeseen challenges. By meticulously planning and remaining adaptable, your family road trip can become a cherished experience filled with adventure and connection. Remember, the journey itself offers as much value as the destination.